next act as a talented scholar, but prepare to be wowed by his exceptional music ability. Here he is, the man, the legend, Garrett Lash.
Made up their minds and they started packing. They left before the sun came up that day, and headed to eternal summer slacking. But where were they going without ever knowing the way? They drank up the wine and they got to talking, and now have more important things to say. And when the car broke down, they started walking. But where were they going without ever knowing the way? You can see the road that they walk on is paved in gold, and it's always summer. They'll never get cold, they'll never get hungry, they'll never get old and gray. You can see the shadows wandering off somewhere. They won't make it home, but they really don't care. They wanted the highway, they're happy there today. Children woke up and they couldn't find him. Left before the sun came up that day. They just drove off and left it all behind them. Where were they going without ever knowing the way? You can see the road